everyone, my name is Salsa Sukma Febriani and my student number is 123. Right now, I want to present the representation of woman in one of Disney princesses movie Cinderella. So, I can assume that everyone here has ever watched the movie or heard about the fairy tale. Cinderella is a kind and pretty girl who lived with her weak stepmother and her two stepsisters Anastasia and Drizella. One day the king and the prince hold a party and invite all of the women because the king wants to find a bride for the prince. Cinderella really wants to go to the party and dance with the prince. Because of the fairy godmother helps, she can go to the party and dance with the prince, but she needs to leave the party at midnight because the magic will be expired. On her way to leave the party, she accidentally leaves one of her glass slipper. The next day, the prince asks all of the women to try the glass slipper because he wants to find his Cinderella. And I think this movie, Cinderella movie, represents women negatively. This movie do not challenge the gender roles because it exactly shows the gender role is through the characters. In here, Cinderella is pictured as a pretty girl who can cook, clean the house, and sing beautifully. Also, her stepmother, who had Cinderella, wants her two daughters, Anastasia and Drizella, to be what society thinks about an ideal woman. This movie emphasizes that women only can do cook, clean the house, and do makeup. And the male characters such as the king and the prince are portrayed as people who rule the kingdom and have an important role. In Cinderella movie, it doesn't show a new role for the woman because it still shows that the woman do a feminine thing such as cooking, doing a makeup in order to get a man. Meanwhile, the characters who have a power is the male character. So the representation of women in Cinderella movie convince other people and women, especially little girls, that women will be considered as successful if they find their own happily ever after. In this case, they have to find a Prince Charming. As we know that Cinderella movie has been watched by many people, especially little girls, and society normalizes it because they think it is natural for a woman to do a house chores and marry to someone who can save them from their miserable life because woman always needs protection from a man, and this movie emphasizes that woman depends on men for their own happiness. So in Cinderella movie, the differences happen when the female characters such as Cinderella, her stepmother, and her stepsister do not really have any choices because they are the characters who needs a man in their life. Meanwhile, the king and the prince are portrayed as the characters who have power, rule the kingdom, and decide everything. It can be seen when the prince want to find Cinderella after the party and he asks all of the women to try the glass slipper. It shows that the one who has the power is the male character in the story. The operation of woman in Cinderella movie can be seen when Cinderella and her two stepsisters, Drizella and Anastasia, seems like they do not have any choice to get their own happiness and determine what is best for them to get bright future. Also, Cinderella's stepmother convinced her daughters that it's good for them to be competitive with other girls in order to get Prince's heart. Meanwhile, the male characters in Cinderella movie, such as the king and the prince, have a right to choose who's gonna be the bride for the prince by asking all of women to try the glass slipper that Cinderella accidentally left. So I think this movie exactly shows the domination of men and put women in a submissive position. So how might media representation affects people understanding of identities and values associated with these identities? I think Cinderella movie shows what exactly happened in our society. The domination of men. It is already constructed in our society that men should be more dominant than a woman. This movie shows the superiority of a man. because the female characters such as Cinderella, her stepmother, and her stepsister are the characters that needs a man in their life and depend on men for their own happiness. They cannot decide what is best for their own future. They cannot have an important role in the society. And the male characters such as the king and the prince are the one who have power, who can take control of everything and decide everything for the people. I think it might affect people understanding because people uh, is are familiar with this kind of situation. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if my explanation is not clear enough. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much.